Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to install security plugin by CleanTalk to your WordPress. The first step is to find the dashboard, then click plugins, add plugin, type CleanTalk, wait for a few seconds. On the next page you may see a lot of plugins, but this guy is yours. Click install now, activate, click general settings. In this step you can just click this button and get the key automatically, but you have this button too. Maybe in the next video I will show you how to use this one. Okay, just click this one and that's it. The plugin is ready to go, but I do recommend you click this tab and run the malware scanner. In the few minutes you get the results and see if your website free from malwares. That is the most dangerous part, the most dangerous security issue can be. That's all. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please drop it in the comment form down below, and see you in the next videos.